Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install apps directly on SD card or Android. So all you have to do now is you can enable the a developer mode first. So you can try to find on the internet how you can enable a developer mode. It can be different because my device may be different on your devices how you can do it. So my device is just tap on a version, you can tap on 8 times. So here in additional settings you can enable developer option or developer mode. You can tap it. Now you can scroll down and then find this one, force allow apps on external storage, makes any app eligible to be written to external storage regardless of manifest values. You can turn this on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.